Hi there, welcome back. So you've been denied entry to Canada. You're standing at the border, the officer tells you you can't come in, and just like that, your trip, your plans, maybe even your future in Canada feels like it's gone. It's stressful, it's embarrassing, and for a lot of people, it's completely unexpected. But here's the truth. Being denied entry isn't the end of the road. In many cases, you can still come back, if you handle it the right way. So why does Canada deny entry? Well, for many reasons. It can happen for a lot of reasons, but there are most common reasons. First would be the criminal inadmissibility. Even for something from years ago, like a DUI, assault, or theft, can flag you at the border. Let's say an immigration violation, overstaying a visa in the past, working without authorization, or giving false information on your application could also get you denied. Another one, security concerns, links to certain organizations, or background checks issues. Medical inadmissibility can also be a reason. Rare, but possible if your health condition poses a public health risk or excessive demand on the healthcare. Another, document problems, missing paperwork, unclear travel purpose, or expired status. So what happens when you're denied? Well, in most cases, the officer will explain the reasons and note it in your file. From that moment, you can't just show up at the border again and expect a different result. You'll need to resolve the inadmissibility, either temporarily or permanently, before you try to re-enter Canada. Here are some options to come back. The first, temporary resident permit, also known as the TRP. Think of this as a special pass that lets you into Canada for a specific reason, even though you're inadmissible. It's for situations where your reason for travel outweighs the risk to Canada. TRPs can be granted for a few days and up to 3 years, and they're often used for urgent business trip, family emergencies, or an important event. Another one is the criminal rehabilitation. If your issue is criminal inadmissibility and enough time has passed, usually 5 years after completing your sentence, you may be eligible to apply for criminal rehabilitation. If approved, your inadmissibility is permanently removed. And addressing documentation issues. Sometimes it's not about inadmissibility, but simply about having the wrong paperwork. Fixing your documentation, getting the right visa, or providing stronger proof for your travel purpose can clear the way. Being denied entry isn't permanent, but the sooner you act, the better your chances of getting back into Canada without long delays or more refusals. The key is knowing your options, getting the right legal strategy, and putting forward a strong, well-documented application. Contact us today for more information. Thank you, and until next time.